all-new 2025 model Brabus G800. One of the most important Brabus products. Stepping with your dirty foot on this leather masterpiece thingy here is a disgrace in my opinion. 3 to 1, listen to this. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all-new 2025 model Brabus G800. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the all-new G-Class conversion by Brabus based on the W465 G63 AMG facelift or new G63. So in today's video I want to show you what Brabus has changed on their body kit with this specific car here. We'll be showing you the outside, all the updated parts, the inside, and then we will be listening to the sound of the car. I mean, first things first, the Brabus is one of the most important Brabus products. So as Mercedes has changed the G-Class, to be honest, just a few minor changes, more of like a facelift, Brabus has also decided to give it a new look with their body kit. So they've also changed the entire body kit, but also the look of the body kit could seem like it's a copy-paste, but if you pay attention and just have a closer look, which we will be having today, you will see that it's completely new. So let's get on, let's start with a tour of the outside. So the G-Class Brabus, I mean, one of the most iconic cars. Brabus here again changed it with the look, with the body kit of the updated G63. This is based on the G63 coming with a 4-liter V8. Brabus has given it an 800 performance upgrade. How they do it is just ECU updates and bigger turbos. That's how they get the 800 horsepower. There is also a 900 model coming, I think, a rocket coming with a 4.5 liter V8. In general, the G63 is not a hybrid, it's a regular combustion engine V8. Performance wise, it's just a copy and paste at this point. But when you have a closer look on all the body panels, this being the full super black model here, I guess it's the car of Konstantin Buschmann, the CEO of Brabus. He will be taking this for himself. They have changed quite a lot of things. First things first is the bonnet extension, the hood scoop. Something that's very important on this here is that the previous one was just coming with fake intakes and covers. This one, however, still is just an add-on, but we have an air tunnel here. You can see that, which, to be honest, makes no sense at all. This rolling fridge here, the aero coefficient is just so bad, but yeah, giving us this here changes the style. I mean, it's functional at this point, but I asked the CTO of Brabus, they are also not planning to build all-alone bonnet for the G-Class. Which makes me sad. I wish they did. What do you think about it? What do you think about the updated one, which looks way more flat and way more of a design element here, looking almost stock like the car. If you would paint this in black, you wouldn't even mind. Here an exposed carbon fiber gloss finish. The older one, I kind of like the shape more because it was more boxy. This one is more floating and flowing here with the seamless design of the G-Class. But anyways, we have quite a few more changes here coming in the front. You have the updated front bumpers. Now you can go with full carbon fiber body kit, as you can see here. And you can even have painted carbon fibers. Pretty cool. The front bumper has been also completely changed here. You can see the headlamps are exactly copy-paste the same ones, but Brabus has changed the entire front part. You can see just by the way it looks. The intakes have been completely changed, also here in the front. This thing, however, I don't quite like that. It's actually an extension to the so-called Panamericana grille. You have these additional thingies, but there's nothing in, so it's just empty space here, and you will have quite a lot of whatever being stuck in here. But anyways, I like the look of it. What do you guys think? The front looking extremely brutal. The appearance in general, yet again, Brabus sized to perfection. The front grille, we have these additional grille intakes here and covers. Is not the exact same one because they had to modify them. The so-called signature stripes here looking pretty cool. The Brabus masterpiece here, this is actually one of the first, looking absolutely fantastic. The side, as I mentioned, we have the carbon fiber body kit all around, everything carbon fiber made in butt drop. We have the new wheels here. These are the Brabus monoblock ZM, 24 inches. So also the biggest wheel options you can go for. Multi-spoke wheels, looking pretty cool, full finished in black with this cool looking wheel cover here. We have the Brabus brakes right behind. Look how small the brakes look when you just compare with the wheel size. Anyways, side here, everything finished in carbon fiber. Something that I still don't like about Brabus is that these are actually just covers. So there's no air flowing through. It's just for the look. I mean, they technically they don't even need it, but I would have liked it if it would be more functional. Anyways, on top we have the iconic roof lights here, also with the Brabus initials, looking pretty cool, full carbon fiber finish. We have the keyless go door handles. These can't be changed, they have to be stock so that all the functions are available. If you change them to carbon fiber, the keyless go would not work. That's how easy it is. If you put carbon fiber on that, it wouldn't work properly. We have the exhaust here. There's actually also new exhaust coming. This is the previous one here with the red LEDs inside, looking pretty cool. The rocket themed one, 24 inches here on the ZM again, looking pretty cool. Let me show you the rear. I mean, all in all, there have been not a lot of changes, but yeah, changes that some people needed actually. We have the updated rear spoiler here, looking pretty cool. I like it. The way they finished it looks pretty cool. We have the wheel cover here, full finished in carbon fiber. The funny thing is that Mercedes even offers it from factory already. The rear also full finished in carbon fiber. Updated rear diffuser here, also with the camera, which is sitting right over here. We have the Brabus 800 badge here. The Brabus emblem right over here, finished in carbon fiber. And now let's talk about the inside. So this is it, the all new Brabus interior, the full conversion here. We have a masterpiece interior conversion by Brabus, so it's completely been stripped out in the inside just to be completely upholstered here with the Brabus. Fine leather all around here with the entrance board finished in carbon fiber. We have the floor mats here, everything. The flooring is finished in leather. I'm honest with you, stepping with your dirty foot on this leather masterpiece thingy here is a disgrace in my opinion. We even have the carbon fiber brake and gas pedal. This is so funny. You wouldn't even see it. Yeah, we have Brabus everywhere. This looks so cool. The attention to detail in this interior is just so special. Brabus over here. Then we have a Brabus emblem over here. We have the perforation here. Another one, Brabus masterpiece badge with this Konstantin Buschmann signature, the CEO of Brabus. All around the seat is just full of details. I'm a huge fan of the way they did it. Also here on the door panel, you have to pay attention. Brabus details, full leather even in the inside. And also all these parts have been completely repainted. So what Brabus does it, they remove every single part here, even the air vents, the ring of the air vents, even these kind of buttons, just to repaint them and put them back together. What they also do now is they give you these kind of keys for all the masterpiece models with the Brabus leather cover. Also with the Brabus detail all around. And also here on the steering wheel nowadays, they came up with the idea of replacing the Mercedes-Benz star with the Brabus Double B here on the steering wheel. How do you guys actually like it? Let me jump right inside and give you a closer look. Let's go. So here we go, right inside the Brabus masterpiece. Let me just change it to Super Sport here, which looks kind of weird in a G-Class. We have the updated steering wheel here, top and bottom finished in carbon fiber. Look at this. However, I have to say something with this specific model. The top and bottom finish of the carbon fiber doesn't match with the frame here. You see that? Have a closer look. I don't know if they did it on purpose to have a contrast here. You see that? It's my first look on the steering wheel. This doesn't match. Even here, that's actually the carbon fiber coming from Mercedes-Benz factory. So this is not Brabus carbon fiber, but they match it always with the interior carbon fiber finish of theirs, you see? So it looks like it all comes from factory like this. But the steering wheel comes now with the Double B. In my opinion, they should never put it. I mean, at the end of the day, it's based on a Mercedes-Benz, so I would always leave the star. But it's just a matter of taste at this point. We have the steering wheel buttons here with the slippery, individual, sport and sport plus with the G63. It's quite funny. I mean, who would never properly race or drive it fast? It's... Oh, look at these shift pedals, finished in carbon fiber. The seats here, look extremely cool. Everything is finished in black because this is actually a super black. The top here with the panoramic sunroof. Yet again, as I mentioned, they actually strip out everything. Even here, the top speaker cover, repainted. Even the handle here is finished in carbon fiber. Is so funny. Let's get right into it, and let me also start the exhaust of this 3 to 1. Putting all the windows down. Listen to this. Ay. Let me just roll a few meters forward. I mean, the car is not registered yet, so we will be not driving it on the Autobahn or anything like that. Just moving it around here on Brabus grounds, which is legal at this point. It's pretty cool. Let me show you the way you actually look inside with the additional roof scoop here in the front. And you have the Brabus details right over here. You see that? Brabus. He's finished in leather. Yeah, let me just put it in park, put all the windows down, and let's listen to the sound. So 3 to 1, listen to this. Wow, it's a pretty nice sound. It's almost same sound as the previous model. So there's not a lot of changes, but what I know is for sure Brabus is coming up with a new exhaust, and because of the new German laws and standards, I think the new exhaust will be a bit quieter, if I'm not mistaken. But I think if you're living outside of Germany, you have no problems with exhaust sounds and modifications, so they can probably help you with that. So now it's time to listen to the sound of the all-new G800 from the outside. We've already had a few impressions in the interior, and we had quite a lot of pops and bangs. The exhaust is actually something we already experienced quite a lot of times. But now let's start it up from the outside, and yeah, let's listen to the V8 800. Let's go. So how do you guys like the sound? It's pretty decent, nice sound, G800, proper pops and bangs. We have the V8 growl, so I'm totally fine. Rate the sound from 1 to 10 in the comment section below.